Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce Plus. This electrical vehicle features a 79 kWh battery producing 286 PS. This vehicle comes finished in the lovely deep black pearlescent paint colour. And taking a look at some of the other exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. Down below we'll find a set of the 19-inch Tilburg alloy wheels finished in a black and silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the ID Buzz features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, and access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. There's steps on either side behind the sliding doors, and a black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Moving up into the cab itself, there's a total of 3 seats. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or even listen to any of your favourite radio stations. Also included in the touchscreen is access to a variety of different vehicle settings and the climate control, and throughout the centre console we'll find a few cup holders and charging points. For the driver there's a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce Plus. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.